All right, another week, another update. So I haven't done anything for a while because I've been waiting on a lot of stuff. So while I was away at work this week, my big order from YEWWW arrived. So I've got a manual, awesome, need one of those. What else we need? Fuel line. Cable, throttle cable, I'm not sure which one. Clutch, I think that's a clutch cable. Odometer. Other throttle cable. What else we got here? Brake system. So this must be my rebuild kits for the brakes. And so that must be front, this must be back. Then the brake pads. Got to have some stopping power. Yes. Ooh. Oops. These are good. I like these. Check this out. These are the brake cables I got. Got these anodized blue banjos. That'll be good. That'll match the. I've got somewhere around here. I've got some. I don't know where they are. I've got the red spark plug leads. So that'll be cool. Didn't cost too much extra. Steering head bearings. Front fork seals. Front wheel bearings. Front or back? Don't know. Figure it out. Oh, look at that. They gave me a key ring. Isn't that nice? Side stand spring. Front sprocket. That's medium. Ugh. That spark plugs, man. I don't know why I bought that. I think I just got carried away with the fucking order. Oil filter. More wheel bearings. Either front or back, I'm not sure. More brake pads. Rear sprocket. Big. Guess I'm used to working on little bikes. Gasket kit. Top gasket kit. When I ordered this, I was ill-informed and I didn't realize that there was a gasket kit for the top and bottom separate. No better informed really now, but I do know that there's a top and bottom. So I guess I'm missing all the oil seals, the case gasket, and probably other few bits and pieces, I'm not sure. Still something. Chain. I got one of the gold ones. So I thought it would go good with the wheels. Yeah, that looks cool. What else is in here? Flywheel remover. I've been waiting for this. I've been kind of stuck on the motor at least. I didn't want to try and split the case without removing the flywheel. I don't know if you can or not, but surely it's not the right thing to do. So I'm glad that's come. There's more bits of that. What else we got in here? Fork chips. They're stand shims, they call them, as you all know. Fucking expensive, these things. This is like, it's 300? $315 each, these bastards. I mean, there were more expensive ones out there, so I shouldn't complain too much, I guess. But fucking hell. I bought that whole fucking CD 200 for $315. Anyway. Oh. And a sticker. Stick that on a toolbox. Well, that's it, I guess. I know I haven't done anything for a couple of weeks, I think it is. Yeah, I've just been waiting on this. From here, I guess I've got something to do. I've got to still break down the rest of the bike. I've decided against painting it myself. I'm going to take it to a powder coaters. I had a chat to the guy I always go to, and he, let me grab this. I need to get a tripod or some shit. So, yeah, I've still got to bust down this and take it to the powder coat. So I'm going to hopefully the wheels polish up all right and I don't have to do anything to them. But my plan B is there's a gold powder coat that the guy can do on the frame. So for the main frame and in that little bit of subframe, that's going to be very similar colour to this, but a bit more winey coloured, I guess. It's called like a mulberry something, I'm not sure, but looks sick. And then I'm going to get the fork outers, all these ancillary bits, the swing arm, stuff like this. I'm going to get all that done gloss black, satin black. So I've got it written down. But yeah, once I do that, I'll feel a lot better, because then I'll actually be able to start putting, doing little jobs and putting it back together. So I think the next thing I do will be to finish completely disassembling this, send it off to the powder coater. While I'm waiting for that to come back, I will go back to, fuck, look how messy this place is. What a grub. Then I'll be able to go back to the motor, and I guess depending on what I find in here, if I need any new like crank bearings or anything like that, that'll be more waiting, but we'll see what happens. I can work on it, and then I'll be able to do things like once this stuff comes back, rebuild forks, rebuild brakes, put steering head bearings on, blah 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 blah. So that's about it. I'm going to go do some light reading. See you guys.